cumudul dah ke selam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau kang lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu na.
Iding buon Pak cakasya nama. Atrai di pentip nai kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka Jialang Kinhun Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla haka arpusau terik urempang arjar punriau kala ajing Mynjur ya ke Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong Bill 2026 kanang ban Ithuh no ya ke Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong kumka State University. Haka jingkran bat kilat patai kubor Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla uba waila Miki Shilla uba longru haka jukopor unong aktien Ithuh ba kaniga jiwanra jongga Sarkar ya ka anro kalong hadian ka jingklan no kandidat MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky Andrew Jones Singkon katkum ka jingong jong uba Shilla ka jingtmu jong kani ka skul ba kalong banle ya ka jingwat benia haka baidai bat ki jingpang ba pher ba ki briu ki yo khamtam e namar ba kani ka Shillong pulie ka deiru ka baju pele jingmut bha haka jingwat benia haka baidai bat ka kot ka khia bat ki jingpang ba bunjaj haba benrap halor kani Commissioner and Secretary ketanat ka kot ka khia Sampat Kumar Ithuh ba ka jing Ithuh ya ka Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong kabala trekam hanong ba Shillong lapalat shipos na menta kan pela ban a ya ki sernot chaka research scholar.
The first one is this actually regarding the Indian Institute of Public Health. So as you know that public health has become very important in today's time, especially with the recent incidents which happened, especially to the unfortunate incident which happened to our late MP Dr. Ricky Sungkon. So we thought that it is very important, and at the same time this institute is focused on research. So it is very important to have people who do research, especially in terms of epidemiology and other disease and all. So that's why the government has approved that will to make this Indian Institute of Public Health as a state university.
So by granting the status of university, the university can actually, basically Iiph can actually give the degrees to the public health graduates and scholars. At the same time, it will be the, in fact this will be a kind of a important institution for the whole Northeast, because it can really build the public health cadre that is required for not only for the state, for the whole northeastern region. That's the capacity that it has. And second thing is that in fact so far we have got in Gandhinagar, one Indian Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar. It has a university status recognition, and we are actually we are in the entire northeastern region, we are actually providing that one, because this was actually, as you rightly said, it has been working very well for the last 10-11 years and in a very self-sustaining basis. So it's more of a research university which contributes a lot of trainings and a lot of data, so that we can really guide the healthcare functionaries how actually we can take public health actions, not only the medical related things but also the public health related things. For example, last year they have trained a lot of people on CPR, let's say, such kind of things like understanding vaccine hesitancy, why vaccine hesitancy is there, how can we actually address the root causes of vaccine hesitancy, how can we remove that one. Similarly, how can we actually improve the more positive behavioral healthcare intervention. So like that, it basically, the idea of university is that it can actually it can in fact build a very good workforce. That is, in fact, it also can help the state government in terms of public health trainings, so that our response to healthcare, like situations like COVID, our response would be much stronger and much better.
For once, I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.
Skoda.